Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawanda Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba Jong Jilla Konrad Kongkel Sangma ha arpotrik bunai nailar arajar arpuwei ule yakendo kerpang ki laingut ki Chief Executive Member Jong ki Autonomous District Council kata nadu ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ke Jaintia Hills Badru Nagaro Hills Autonomous District Council banyak keren sani bha ban panru yang ki jingai jingbot ha ka bayadai bat ka jingterwa jong ke Parliamentary Standing Committee ke Sarkar Pedeng ban wanra katto ka ne ki jingpen bai thamai ha ka kharnet ka bahanreu jong ke Riti Sanchar kari India Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Konrad Sangma ulayatho bagani ka jingyalang kalayather sani bha halor ka jingkenteu ya ka jingdon jong ki seats hapo ki Autonomous District Council ka jingmi pau jong ki unrepresented tribes bat kiwei de ki mat Shusho ulayatho ru baga jingyalang ka bakhaddo kan salong biang ha ka arpu santarik bunai nailar arajar arpuwei banyak keren sani bha halor kini ki mat hashwa baka Sarkar jilla kan pha yagini ki jingai jingmod shaka Sarkar Pedeng.
The discussion was on the amendment bill and the different suggestions that were given by the parliamentary committee, and based on that the government of India has again asked us to give in our comments and our suggestions on that. So in order to give those comments and suggestions once again, we have called the meeting of all the district councils so that their viewpoints can also be included. So in the whole process, a number of suggestions were given. We have gone through all the details, whether it is to do with the issues of mentioned in the for the unrepresentative tribe in the nomination, whether the number of seats that were mentioned out there, whether the different elections that have to be held at different levels. So all these factors and all these issues were discussed in large detail, and based on that, once again, all the CMs have been asked to give in their suggestions, recommendations within the next 1 week, and we'll be having a final meeting on the 25th evening to crystallize on the recommendations from our side, and that will be then submitted to the Government of India. Almost 95% of the recommendations, suggestions given, including the 10th schedule, application of anti-defection law, including that has been accepted, including the suggestions that we should have the Finance Commission funding. So all the major decisions have been included. So those we are very happy and thankful that they have been included. And there are certain concerns that are there which we are ironing out, and that's the reason why again and again we are doing consultation, and we are hopeful that we will be able to come to a consensus and will be able to take this amendment forward.
After the standing committee has recommended to the parliament, so now we are just discussing and review the same points which we have given our views and comments from all the three district council. So this is the first meeting after the meeting or after the report which was been submitted by the standing committee. So now we are look into some points. So I think by next week we will sit again and we will finalize and we will send our views and comments. The government will recommend the views and comments to the Home Ministry. I don't know what is the delay. It's not from the state government, it is from the central government. So the last meeting between the state government and the ministry held on 5th July. So actually they are supposed to send the last comments by 21st of this month, but due to the prevailing situation and COVID situation, there's a delay. But we hope by 31st August, we will send our recommendations. Should involve in any matters, as they have already involved in the COVID-19, in maintain law and order problem, or to maintain peace, they should involve all the traditional heads.
That is from the government.
Because they play a very important role. You have seen, even in this case now, our traditional heads, how they play a very important role. So that's why the government should not ignore them.
Yeah, that is
they should work together. They should have to call them for talk, for discussion, how to find ways and means to maintain law and order. Kadi ka views sa level ka chokki, dan Reina keempat dan ke discussion bangan ani banu jadi ke discussion ke jongki batu siam ani batu government dengan aga wisdom jongki batu iki baru kijing dawa kim judan iki bom dan norim kidon la ke jongkan stan kidon la ke jongkan norim te ka syong ha government kumno ban respond iki